Hi, I'm Lauren with Alliance Concrete Pumps. Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. It's time to maintain your pump, especially when it's getting colder out. We have gear oil in some of the components. Most truck manufacturers are using extended life gear oil. You could also use that in your PTO box and reduction gear boxes if you want. Generally those are just regular 80 weight 90. On your truck differentials, I just wanted to tell you about a little trick you can use. If you get yourself an extra magnetic drain plug, you can swap it in place of the one that was in there. If there's anything going on inside there, you'll see the metal. You just pull the old one out, pop the new one in, then you can take a look at it, and if you need to get your rear end checked out, you can do it. Thank you.